Attention competitors, starting from lane 1, representing Rosehill Secondary College, Dominic Gimpino. Lane 2 will be vacant. Lane 3 from Emma's College, Spencer Brown. Lane 4 from Scotch College, Dimitri Panotis. Lane 5 from William Ruthven Secondary College, Benjamin McAuliffe. Lane 6 from McKinnon Secondary College, Marcus LaGreca. Lane 7 from Emma's College, Daniel Sensini. And in lane 8 from Vermont Secondary College, Zachary Smith. And away and out explosively there in lane 4, Dimitri Panotis of Scotch College, and he's got the early lead, but on the outside, Daniel Sensini from Emma's College now moving through. Here comes Marcus LaGreca late from McKinnon. LaGreca's hit the lead. LaGreca will take the win in front of Panotis from Scotch College. It looks like Sensini from Emma's will get the bronze medal. 11.83, unofficially the time. Slight tail plus 0.1.